Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoMonk, your go-to channel for all ServiceNow things. If you are looking to boost your platform security and streamline role management, you are in the right place today. So today we are diving into a powerful time-limited role feature in ServiceNow, which got rolled out, I think, in Washington release. So what exactly this time-limited role feature is? The time-limited role feature allows the administrator to assign roles, to user for a specific duration. Once this time period expires, the role is automatically revoked. So no manual intervention needed, no risk of forgetting roles. So let's talk about the benefit. Why is this feature a game changer? Okay, it's a game changer in multiple aspects. For example, it enhances security. Limit access to sensitive data by ensuring roles are revoked on time. Then compliance is made easy, right? It meets the audit requirement by controlling and documenting duration. It also provides operational efficiency by eliminating the hassle of manually tracking and revoking temporary roles. And at last, it also provides flexibility because it's perfect for temporary project onboarding or incident resolution team, right? So now the moment you have been waiting for, uh, let's have a quick demo. Okay, let's see how the time limited role feature works in action. So what you can see on my screen, this is my personal development instance, okay, which is currently on the latest release. And for today's example, what we'll be doing, we'll be using a user. For instance, if there is a user, let's consider an ideal user only. Okay, so I'll be using this particular user. Why ideal? Because it's I just remember that particular name and it's easy to type. So this particular user, ideal user. And currently, if we see, I think it has only ideal role, no admin. Okay. So if this particular ideal user has a aspiration that he wants to be a developer and we want to give him the opportunity to do so, so we'll be granting him some r- roles. Okay. Now, so what we'll be doing first, we'll check if he has a access to write the business rule. So what will we do? Never do impersonation, right? We have the um analyzer now. Access analyzer I'm talking about. So what we'll do, we'll check if this particular user has admin rights. That means it has right to write on the business rule table. So I will give the name as sys underscore script, which is the name for the business rule table, right? Okay. And at he has only ITR role. Okay. Probably he doesn't have the access to write anything or to create or delete something on this particular table. And we can see over here, everything is blocked for him. Okay. Because he misses the ITL, right? Now we'll be using the time old feature, okay, just to grant him the admin access. Okay, how we can do that? So what you have to do, you have to just go time limited user roles and yo yo I will create a new record and keep one thing in mind. You can see roles using this particular feature at this particular point of time. Admin impersonator and SNC read only. Okay, I think this is the general case. Okay, um, general load which we need to get access to, okay, to the users. So for our example, we'll be looking for admin role. Okay, we want to give him the admin role for which particular user. So I'll be selecting ITL user. Okay, ITL user. Start time, I want to give it right now. Okay, end time, probably I want to give it for till 31st. New Year, I don't want him to have this access. Okay, and this is a temporary access. Okay, submit. Now we have role. Okay, one thing we have to make sure this feature, using this feature, we can give access to certain user only for 5 days, okay, at max. Okay, and this is nice also. We don't want to give roles for 1 or 2 year, right? Okay, if this validation is not there, people will start giving roles for a year also. So what I will do, 25th is getting started. I will give him a role till 29th only, and we will submit. Perfect. So let's first go to the user itself. Okay. I will go user ITIL, the same user. I'll open this out and let's see if the user role got added. No, he still doesn't have the admin role. Okay. That's what you think, right? No. When we use this particular feature, it doesn't add row directly to the roles user roles table. Okay. So that particular role will not get granted directly to the user and then revoked or removed after the desired duration. It happens on something on back end, right? Okay. Nothing is updating on the user record also. Now let's try with the access analyzer. Okay, so we will go and try to analyze the permission, the same user. So user, again we will select ITIL user, okay, and we'll select this script. As you remember, all the access were blocked for this particular user for business rule table. Now let's see. Now everything is passed, okay, and as you can see also, okay, that removing expired time limited rows, okay, this particular granting time limited rows. So admin, he got a lot of rows out there, okay. So you can see he got the rows using this particular feature out. And when the time arised, okay, the ended arise, this rows will get revoked. So what where can you use this feature? Okay. So yeah, the few examples, okay, to get inspired by, okay, and I think these are the right example where I'll be using this particular feature in my project. So for example, we have a temporary contractor. We want to grant contractor access to specific module, okay, only during the project period. Or we have incident management team, okay. We want to provide temporary access to resolve critical incident without compromising long-term security. There may be also training programs where we want to allow trainees to explore limited features of the platform for defined duration, or what else, for seasonal stuff, right? Perfect for industries with fluctuating staff need like retail or finance. So this is how we can use this particular feature out, and there you have it. Okay, the time limited fee role feature is a must have for anyone looking to enhance security and streamline role management in ServiceNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to TechnoMonk for more ServiceNow tips and tricks. Got question or use case idea? Drop them in the comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep innovating. Thank you.